Hey guys, this is Jordan with McMullin Injury Law. We're going to react to June's crash videos. So we're here on Bluff Street. Oh man, this is one of those, someone was probably on their cell phone trying to ease out and just didn't see the curb and just drove straight off. Just get off your cell phone, or just wait until you're done doing whatever you are on your phone until you get driving again. All right, here we are on a gateway. This is a treacherous intersection. It's really, really hard to see on these ones. Left-hand turners going both ways. It's always a little bit difficult. You got to pay extra attention at this intersection. Yeah, just really pay attention as people are coming through. It's a high-speed intersection, so people aren't slowing down. They're not paying attention to those left-hand turners. So if you're turning left there, either wait until that light turns or pay really, really close attention as you're going through. So here we're on Bluff Street again. Oh man, we see this all the time. People are always paying attention to the road versus paying attention to the sidewalk. You gotta watch for bikers. You gotta watch for pedestrians. It's one of those things that's so preventable, but you're looking left. You're not paying attention to people coming on the right-hand side of the street. Just pay attention. Stop there first. Look both ways. Pay attention to the sidewalk as well, and that would have been prevented for sure. What's gonna happen? Oh man, we see too much of this as well. People trying to shoot gaps. This dude's got a big trailer on the back. You just gotta wait. Just be patient. You can never be in too much of a rush to get where you're going if something like this is gonna happen. Just be patient on those as you're making those left-hand turns. Oh man, I don't even know what to say on that one. Just don't be dumb as you're pulling out. Now you obviously got to be way more vigilant. Couldn't necessarily tell who, but someone blew a red light on that one. That's pretty clear. Someone was going through the intersection when you're not. At night especially, just watch, pay attention to those lights. Don't be in such a rush, just slow down. Again, it's not worth it to get into a crash if you're in a hurry. So we see left-hand turners way too often, people in a rush, people not waiting for the light, people turning on a yellow when there's still traffic going through. Just be patient as you're coming through intersections and trying to make a left-hand turn. Watch for traffic. We see it far too often. Those are very, very, very preventable. So as you see the light change, then you can proceed through. Again, just be careful as you're going through those high-speed intersections here in St. George. We will see you next time with July's crashes.